Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to do this little ensemble right here, a box fringe. I actually cut it with a samurai sword. No, not really, just kidding. But yeah, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do a box fringe such as mine, and how to properly cut it, how to make it look healthy, yada yada yada, all that kind of stuff. Still hanging in there with my arm, but I give it a break out of the arm sling. You cannot see any physical damage to my arm, but it does feel very tingly. So when it hangs down my arm from my side, it hurts, it tends to hurt a little bit. So to give it a rest while it's healing, I just put it in the arm sling just to give my arm a rest. So yeah, it was difficult, not gonna lie, it was very difficult to do my hair with the pain a little bit, with the discomfort and the pain to achieve this, but it's done, I did it, and I'm gonna show you step by step how it's done, so stay tuned for the tutorial. Okay guys, so first of all you would need to make sure that all your fringe area is in the front of your face. Tie up the rest of the hair. Make sure you gather all the hair, make sure that it's straight. You can straighten it if need be, or add water if need be. So carefully cut along the sides, do it slowly. I've sped up the video to show you guys overall how it's done, but by all means take your time with cutting your fringe. You can use a comb and a brush to brush out the excess. So you can go away and straighten the hair if need be. If you've got curly hair like myself, sometimes when you wet the hair, it starts to curl up, so then you don't get the full length of what you've already cut for the front of your fringe. So just make sure that you straighten any parts to make sure it's level. Make sure that your head is straight and still whilst cutting your fringe. Hey guys, so we are now at the end of the video. Please leave a like if you enjoyed, subscribe, and as always, I will see you in the next video, and all the products that I use will be in the link below. Alright, so take care of yourselves. Let me know, send me pictures, let me know if you achieved this look during my tutorial, or if my tutorial helped at all. Just let me know in the comments below. And also, yeah, so what hairstyles are you guys thinking of doing? Let me know down in the comments below. Yeah, it's always good to talk, to share new ideas. So yeah, just let me know, and bye for now.